What's up, guys? Today we are making an exciting breakfast replacement drink with all natural fruits and stuff. Let's get there. Look at that. Little bit of berry, strawberry, blueberry. Dip that in there. I'm telling ya, this drink is banging. I enjoyed it. First, we're gonna start with let's get in there. Greek yogurt. You all know Greek yogurt is good for you. It's better than the normal yogurt. Make sure you've got Greek yogurt in your fridge. Some nutmeg and also some cinnamon. You can use a teaspoon or half teaspoon. It's up to you. And we're going to have some fruity linseed mix, which is with strawberry. I've got the blueberry ones as well, but I'm using strawberry. Which you can see this is very low in fat. And also we're going to have some mixed berries, so strawberry, blueberry and raspberry, and some fruits and veg, kale and broccoli, and also some blueberries. We're going to have some all natural milk as well, good old Cravendale. Let's get in there, put it all in there and blend it up and get your breakfast ready. This is replacement breakfast in a juice. I must say, I blended this twice and it was really smooth after I blended it twice. Didn't really need to blend it much more. My NutriBlender work miracles and stuff like this. And when I'm done, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. That is the product. Look at that, nice and healthy, right? So we're gonna get that into our glass. Let's get my glass prep and all my little garnish. It's coming up. Wait a minute. I need to pour it. If you don't like your fruits or veg, this is a perfect way to contain it, and it helps you as well to help you to lose weight, detox you, because basically if you have food that way, which is processed down smaller when it's blended, it's easy to digest on the stomach. That is it. That is my strawberry, raspberry and all my veg and linseed in there. You can add peanut and also oats if you wish. Some people like it with it. Some days I do with that. That is my breakfast, guys. That is my breakfast. When I make this, everyone loves it. Thank you for watching.